Another big round of applause for Jackie McCraven and the Sisters Band, featuring the sultry vocals of Jolene Diggs. Give it up, give it up. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, coming up December 21st, that's Wednesday, is the pre-Christmas party that's going to be happening right here at the Memphis Sound Night Spot. Now, we still got a sultry buffet over there on the corner that you can go ahead and sip your tea in, but keep in mind, the date is December 21st, pre-Christmas party right here. We're going to have door prizes, of course, live entertainment featuring Jackie McCraven and the Sisters Band. Also, on a professional, personal note, I made an announcement during my birthday party that I am launching my internet radio station that's coming up in January, and that is still going to happen. As a matter of fact, I just been informed that I'll be able to broadcast live bands over the frequency. So you might as well know it, they're going to be global in about just a few more weeks. So keep that in mind, Live 365 with Carl Roberts on tricity.com. That's how you can check us out or check out the band as they broadcast live. So don't forget, coming up, we got more entertainment with Jackie McCraven and the Sisters Band. And also, don't forget about the Christmas party, live entertainment, door prizes. That's coming up December 21st right here at the Memphis Sound Night Spot. Don't go away, the band will be back in a little bit. More music is on the way.